Hey everyone, I got my Stamps of Life order in and I want to see what we got. And let's see, is this, I am part of the Stamp and Die Club and Woodland to Stamp. Oh, how cute. And then we got a freebie, stickers, cute. And oh, I love her stuff so much. I love the cutesy stuff. Oh wow, it's really bright in here, isn't it? Let me turn that. Hold on, there we go. That help? So let's see. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. And you get the matching dies. Oh, so cute. Love it. So I got this one, the stamp set. I think it's $27 now, or 26 and change. Stamp and die set. And then I also decided to subscribe to the Fold It kit. This is her new her new club, and I wanted to see because I love her Fold It, so I thought, well, it's, you know, part of the club, so it's a mystery until, you know, the first. And I thought, okay, well, let me try it. And it's a little bit on the spendy side. I think it was like $36. So we'll see how long I keep it for. But I no longer get like Coco Daisy, I no longer get Felicity Jane, I no longer get, you know, Freckle Fun, I no longer get any of those clubs. So let's see. Oh, so this is the frame. Oh wow. Okay. So this is the Premier Fold It. It's going to be a bumblebee. So you get the bumblebee folded, the bee stencil, the mini hexagon stencil. What is this? Is this some... Ew, I'm not sure what this is. Is this part of the stencil? Mini hexagon stencil. Oh, look how cute it is too, you guys. Huh. Oh wait, is that the... No, this is the bee. Do you guys see what... Do you guys know what this is? Is this a freebie? Do you think this... Oh, because I think we were supposed to get a freebie, right? For being one of the first to order. Looks like it could be a book. It looks like this is the spine. I think this is a book. I haven't been around, so I haven't looked at anything, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be like a book. So that's cool. I mean, this is amazing. Okay, 36 bucks. I'm happy. This seems worth it. It's better than my Sew Sampler and I got rid of that also. I got rid of my Sew Sampler from Fat Quarter Shop. That was not worth $36. This is pretty cool. So, all right, guys, I'm happy. It's Stamps of Life. I'll link it below. We'll see y'all later. See you next month. Bye.